This is the largest underwear and lingeries and sporting wears wholesale markets in China. This is our Stocklot. They are Stocklot items. All these goods are already packed well every day. Many foreigners come here to take container by container. See. All these are stock lot of underwear and lingeries and sporting wears. You even cannot imagine how cheap the prices are in this market. All these are underwear stock lot with very good price. The prices are very cheap. Underwear, see, you cannot imagine how cheap the prices are. My God, the prices are very cheap here. All here are the stock lot of underwears. My God, all here are the warehouses.